Welcome to this KeyHelp tutorial about the KeyHelp Toolbox. With the help of this tool, you can access and control various KeyHelp functions directly from the command line of your server. The toolbox is therefore a help tool for operating KeyHelp via the console. This can help you, among other things, if you have logged yourself out or if you want to control various KeyHelp functions simply via the console. First, log into your server and then execute the command keyhelp-toolbox. After that, you can change the language for this menu by typing the letter L and executing it. Above this, you will find the available actions. To make a selection, type in the respective number or letter that precedes the desired function. The first function, rewrite user configuration files, can help you if manual adjustments were made via the command line and you also want to manually rewrite all necessary files. For changes made via the control panel itself, KeyHelp will rewrite all those files itself. By selecting C, Continue, these configuration files are then rewritten. These are all user configuration files for the Apache Web Server, the DNS server bind, which is responsible for name resolution of domain names, and the PHP FPM service, which is responsible for executing PHP files. The function Disable Maintenance Mode, which you can start by selecting the second action, helps if the maintenance mode is activated and you have excluded your IP for it, but now want to access the KeyHelp interface from another IP or your IP has changed in the meantime. You can therefore end this maintenance mode via the toolbox and then log back into KeyHelp. If you have only allowed administrative access to certain IP addresses under Configuration, Login in Sessions, and now also want to log in again from another IP address, you can select the third action, Disable Login Restrictions for Administrative Accounts, to remove these restrictions. If you have activated two-factor authentication for your account, but can now no longer access your smartphone or similar, you can disable two-factor authentication here in the fourth item. This can also be done in the console specifically for different users and does not have to be disabled for all. Number 5, Clear Template Cache may be required if you create your own theme or have made changes to the theme files. If you make changes to your template, you may not be able to see these because KeyHelp is still caching the theme. By executing this function in the KeyHelp toolbox, you can clear the template cache. Under the 6th point, Start Maintenance task, you will find the same task as under the point Maintenance intervals in the KeyHelp panel itself. Live monitoring offers an advantage here, but it could also make it easier for you if you simply want to carry out these maintenance tasks quickly in the console. Under the 7th point, Show Info, you can see your operating system as well as your KeyHelp version. Thank you for your interest in this tutorial.